From here, the voice, you know what you do, you know. I represent for Talk Black TV, Bodies TV worldwide. Talk Black, big up yourself.
Greetings. Welcome back to the program. Welcome back to Talk Black TV. If you're new to the channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever Talk Black TV drops another video. Jamaican police was caught eating while on duty. Instead of the man that keep crime off the street, the man that eat under the sheet. Come like the Jamaican police, them now get paid enough. Eh? The mafia work 2 jobs, put new meaning to the term split shift. Although him is a uniform police, he might work undercover. When I say undercover, you know, I mean undercover. Watch a man. Man them out there. And a Joe Grind not for about, you know. Joe Grind losing work right now to Peter the Eater. Huh? When the girl say, what do it taste like? Mr. Roman Raisin. One time he used to say, the girl used to say, they want a champion lover. They don't want an ice cream lover. But now, it come like, the song turned to
ice cream lover, gonna make you feel alright. Well, ice cream lover, no ease up tonight.
the man no ease up now. The officer no ease up. If I saw him do film police work, him is a dangerous police. Afraid of him. Yo, the man go hard enough. Peter go hard enough. Can you imagine a 2 flavor imitation? Rum, raisin. But the man in him uniform same, you know, embracing. And I go on like him craving. Him tell her to take video. All are looking at the camera in him uniform. Badge number go dollar show. You not afraid of bribe?
Morning, Lester, listen to me. I never sent out any video. I wouldn't do that. Me not put people life in a jeopardy, so me not mash up people life. I would not do that. Me wouldn't do that. The man not do me nothing for me do that to the man. The man tell me fi video him. And me ask him, me say, you sure? And he say, yes, me fi video him because he like them little video something there. Right? And he said, when me video it, me fi send it kongi. Me never send out the video to nobody else away from him. When me send it go give me delete it out of my phone. Me not have it. Since now me I get it back in my phone. Me a no idiot. Me no ramp with people like that. I did not send out that video. I would not have done that to him. I would not do it. Him tell me fi video it because he like them little video something there. Me ask him if he sure and he say yes, me fi video him. Him give me permission.
Squaddy get catch star.
You come like a real rum in that the Roman Raisin. Eh? Nah man, you pay the Jamaican police more money. The man them can't afford lunch. Look at the man that forgot eat for lunch. Huh? He put new meaning to the word eat out. You know what, when you eat in a yard, you're eating in. When you go outside a restaurant, you go eat out. But no man, he put new meaning to the term eat out. Huh? Came as him wife pack a little lunch for him. I must say no honey. Today, I just eat out. Remember when you're a youth, your parents used to say, chew your food properly. Well, him learn good. Him chew properly. Huh? least according to she. You can imagine him wife ask him, so wait there. How come I go and say when you deal with my own? Eh? You skimpy, licky. Like you really know how to do it. But look, you're going over there, so. Both it tastes like human raisin. Eh? You wrong with me? We just don't like vanilla. Info down for the world record. For the man who hold him breath the longest. Eh? In front of the Marines. I go to scuba diving. Joe Grind. He in trouble. Peter the Eater. Same do it sweeter. Anyways, leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think. This is
Talk Black TV.
Smack